Follow methods shown in the video to reset Firefox browser. Click on 3-bar button in the top right corner, then click on Help. Select Troubleshooting Information. Here, click on Refresh Firefox and confirm your choice. When the import wizard appears, click Finish. Method 2. Type About Support in the URL bar and hit Enter, and click on Refresh Firefox button. Click Refresh Firefox to continue. Just click Finish to continue. Method 3. This method will show you how to reset Firefox without opening it. Hold down the Shift key and try to open Firefox. Click Refresh Firefox twice, then click Finish. Type Run in search bar to open Run prompt. Here, type firefox.exe-p and hit OK. Choose Default, then click Delete Profile. Confirm your choice by clicking Delete Files. When you will open Firefox, it will be refreshed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our guides channel.